Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize mini cart page on Wix. Let's get started. So in here, we can see our cart icon. So you can just click on that, click on settings right here. Now on this cart icon settings, we should be able to change this specific icon. So for example, you can actually use this one, or you can also use this one if you want. Totally depends on what cart icon you want to use. So you can use this one as well as this one. But as you can see, this one is really misleading. So I'll just try to use this one right here. Now in here, you can also just change the icon style. You can change the icon color. So for me, I'll change it into white as well as the bubble color of it into white. Now, as you can see, it already changed. Now we can also choose in the number, font, and color. So just click on this color right here, for example, and let's just choose this purple right here, and let's just choose this font right here in order to change the font of our card. Now we can actually just choose which one. So let me choose impact right here. Now in here, you can see that card icon has changed. You can also resize it and make it bigger if you want. So let me resize it and make it bigger for now. So let me drag this, and this is what it looks like right now. Now let's click on settings again. And under the settings, we can see so many things as well as this mini cart, the settings right here that can show the mini cart or the open cart page. And also see this manage right here that can manage the store. Now click on manage store right here. And then in here, you can see all the products that you are actually selling. So let's just wait for here. And then under the store right here, you can add new products if you want. Now let's just wait again. So here are the products that you can add to your store. Now under your store, you should also be able to add more things. Now, if you want to change the cart or what it looks like, let's now proceed to the cart page of us. So let's click on this right here, and you should be able to manage it once people added this to the cart. So you can just head over and click on manage products, or you just click on settings right here in order to change the slider gallery option right here. So you can change the layout as well as the text and the sign right here, and it will be applied to the cart page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.